Welcome children, welcome to lecture number 3 of graphical method of a solution of pair of linear equation class 10 max. Now in the first lecture and the second lecture we discussed about the graphical method only. I said three type of cases it arises when we are moving through the graphical method. It may be intersect or it may be parallel or it may be coincident, right? We are going to discuss that only, but in a different manner. That is, if the direct instead of drawing the graph and finding whether it is parallel or intersecting, when comparing the ratio of the equation itself, we can easily identify which type of equation we will get, which type of solution we will get. That we can easily identify from the ratio of the equation. Ratio means you know that nothing but coefficient of the variables, right? That we will compare the ratios with, we will compare the ratios of the equation and we will say that which type of solution we will get it, right? So whenever we are getting the solution, we are saying it is a consistent equation. Whichever equation gives the solution, that type of equations are called consistent equation. Consistent is nothing but it has the solution. So which are the equation has no solution, that all inconsistent equations, right? So our first case is that the lines may intersect at one point. It can be intersect at one point, means it is an intersecting line, right? So it has unique solution. So it has only one solution where that two lines are intersecting. That point, intersecting point, become the solution for the equation. So it has the unique solution. So where we are getting the solution, that is a consistent one, means it is a consistent equation. It has the solution for that equation. And in the second case, the lines may parallel. If it is parallel, means we are saying it has no solution, means they never meet each other, means how we can find solution for the equation? So we could not. So there it has no solution. So if it is inconsistent, means where the lines are parallel, there we will get inconsistent, means we will not get solution for the equation. And in the third case is that if the lines are coincident, means graphical lines are coincident. Where it will be coincident, both the values are same, means both the ratios will be same, then it has infinitely many solution, that is consistent. So how we can compare with the ratios of this one? So if the line are intersecting, means how it will be unique solution, means the ratio of the value is whether the a1 by a2, all the ratios are different in value. It not have the same one. The ratios are different, means all the ratios are different, not equal. Then it is consistent, that is it has the unique solution. If all ratios are equal, then it become infinite many solution, that is coincident. And if first two ratios are equal and the third ratio is not equal, means then it is inconsistent, that is parallel. You may confuse with that, what is first two ratios are equal, what is that next one, how we will find out. These all confusion may arise in your mind. Now I will clarify with the example, right? Suppose here I had, this is the equation. For example, I had taken some equation and I am comparing the ratios now. First equation is 2x minus 3y equals to 0. And then the second equation is 5x plus 7y plus 6 is equals to 0. Here ratio means what we will take? Yes, coefficient of x, y, right? That is a1 by a2. Condition is that a1 by a2, which is not equals to b1 by b2 as well as not equals to c1 by c2, means otherwise these two are not equal, otherwise these two are not equal, right? If ratios are not equal, means then we have unique solution, that is intersecting line we will get in the graph and only one point it will intersect. That point is the solution for that equation, right? Whichever coordinates occur over there, if you apply that value in the x and y place, you will get the solution for this equation. So this is consistent, right? So only one solution you will get. So how we will find out the ratio? a1 by a2, that is 2 by 5. minus 3 by 7, and here constant is not there, so we are taking 0 by 6, right? Now see, the ratio is not equal. All the ratios are different, so it is not equal. So we are getting the unique solution. Now in the second example, see, 3x plus 2y minus 6 equals to 0. The second one, 6x plus 4y minus 12 equals to 0. So if you find the ratio of this one, 3 by 6 equals to 2 by 4 equals to minus 6 by 12. Right, minus 12. So all will be cancelled and you will get 1 by 2 is the answer. So 1 by 2, and this is also 1 by 2. All are in the ratio 1 by 2, equal in ratio 1 by 2. So if it comes like that, all the values are same, the ratio value is same, then it has infinite many solution, that is consistent only. Means we will get many solution, means more number of solution we will get it. So infinite it is, so it is consistent. And when you come to the third equation, for example 4 by 8, ratio only we have to find out. 4 by 8 minus 5 by minus 10 and 7 by minus 6. If you find out this one, first two value will be 1 by 2, and in the next one is not equal, means constant is not equal, means ratio of A1 by A2 is equals to ratio of B1 by B2, but it is not equals to C1 by C2. So these two are equal, means parallel lines, and we will not get any solution. So how you will keep in mind, easy method is that intersecting means not equals, and if it is equal means coincident, and it first point is equal and second one is not equal means parallel one, right? So it is not equal means intersecting, and all are equal means coincident, it goes in line, and first one is equal and the second one is not equal means parallel. So you will get like this only. So whenever equation is given to you, from the equation itself, if you find the ratio first, you can say which type of graph you will get, whether you will get the solution for this equation or not, that all you can find out, right? If in my next lecture we will solve the exercise 3.2, so that we can easily understand where we are using this rule all, right dear? Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe the channel for the further notification. Thank you children.